This is Evo, an app-connected coding robot for the next generation of creators. I'm going to open Evo's box, show you what's inside, then explain all the ways you can create and share with Evo. First, let's get Evo out of the box. Pull the front open. Pull the plastic tab and remove the top. Next, push on one corner, then press the tab to set Evo free. Evo has a strong polycarbonate shell, one power button, 4 proximity sensors for detecting obstacles, optical sensors, which are like Evo's eyes for seeing lines and color codes, 7 super bright LED lights, 5 on the front, 1 on top, and then 1 on the back that blinks red when Evo needs to charge. And finally, a micro USB port for charging. Evo's pocket-sized shell is packed with tech, including a built-in speaker, a Bluetooth smart board with a 30-foot range, the main circuit board, a microcontroller, also known as Evo's programmable brain, and dual motors and a worm drive. Evo also comes with a quick start guide, 4 color code markers, 1 Ozo skin, a carrying pouch and charging cable, 1 playfield, and an experience pack, which may ship separately. Evo starts bonding with you right out of the box, showing off 3 different tricks. Power Evo on. In follow, Evo uses proximity sensors to follow your finger. To trigger a new trick, cover all 4 sensors, either with your fingers or by cupping Evo in your hand. Evo's front lights turn green when it is switched to a new trick. In music, try covering different sensors to play different notes. Cover all 4 sensors again to trigger Evo's escape trick. Now the bot will run away from your hand. Ozo Blockly is a block-based programming language that you can use too. Here's how to create your own code and teach Evo new tricks with Ozo Blockly. Open the Ozo Blockly editor at ozoblockly.com/editor. Sign in with your Evo account and toggle to the Evo setting in the upper left corner of the screen. Now drag and drop blocks of code to program Evo. When you're done, remember to save your program. You can load Ozo Blockly programs to Evo in 2 different ways. Option 1, click the flashing icon, then follow the instructions on screen. You'll magically load your code just by holding Evo up to your screen. Option 2, click the app icon. Make sure your Evo is powered on and connected to the Evo app to load the program. Once you've loaded your program to Evo, run it anytime by double pressing Evo's power button. When you need a break from screens, Evo unplugs with you. Evo uses optical sensors to follow lines that you make with markers and plain paper. Next, code Evo with colors, thanks to a patented color code language. Made with markers or stickers, color codes tell Evo what to do. Red, green is the tornado code, and it makes Evo spin around. Find a chart with all the color codes at ozobot.com/color language. You can also complete an Evo experience pack to learn all the color codes. Visit ozobot.com/exp to claim your experience pack. From Ozo Blockly to color codes, Evo mixes coding and creativity in really cool ways. Whenever you need creative ideas or inspiration, check out our YouTube channel. Or open the Evo app and navigate to the Explore section. Just don't forget to share your creations with the Ozobot community. Evo is app connected. Download the Evo by Ozobot app in the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and follow the instructions to create an account and connect to your Evo. From the home screen, tap on your Evo to see its settings. Tapping on More Info shows you what firmware is installed on your Evo. At the top of the home screen, tap to see your profile. Earn points for every activity you and Evo do. As you earn points, you'll level up and get coins. Coins can be used to buy new things like upgraded avatars. Rewarded activities include tricks, color codes, Ozo-Blockly programs, and more. Basically all the ways you play, create, and share with Evo. For in-app activities, navigate to the app's Play section and check out Drive, Ozo Launch, and more. For ideas for color code drawings and epic Ozo-Blockly programs, check out the Explore section. You don't always need a smart device to play with Evo. Tricks and color codes are offline ways to play. Even when you're not connected to the app, you'll earn points for your activities. Evo has a really good memory and will let the app know what you've accomplished the next time you connect. To learn more about Evo and the app, visit ozobot.com/evo-app.